for breakfast. So our hotel owner, he packed us a little lunch package, a breakfast package. And he's so cute.
Very nice.
Let's go to the airport.
It's cold. Let's go.
So quick lounge visit. We just made it through all the security checks. It took a long time. My backpack was very interesting for every single one. Now we just got a coffee in the lounge and cookies. The lounge looks really nice. And Sascha is having a phone call regarding our Everest expedition. So if you want to see it, subscribe, stay here on this channel. It's gonna come a lot of cool stuff. Now the flight is already boarding.
But still enough time for this. My sweet tooth, and Maddy's freaking out.
Yeah, this is what I'm dealing with every day. I mean, there are people who are very chill about boarding, but I know. I had cookies, thank you. There's the cookie station. And this is showing that we are boarding.
Are we?
Yes, we are. It's boarding, that's what it says. Are you done now?
Not yet, but soon. Not boarding, gate opened.
Gate opened, it's the same here.
Yeah?
They're not very precise. So my stress was totally unnecessary, but it says boarding. Everybody else believes it should be boarding. There's standing boarding, but nobody's boarding.
We have news. It's delayed. Minimum 1 hour, so we're gonna go back to the lounge.
I think delayed flights are the best when you can enter a lounge. And we were just sitting there and we thought it's just cake and coffee, and then someone came and was like, yeah, buffet is open now, you can go here. We're like, buffet, okay, nice. And look at that. It's like a complete Jordanian breakfast. Bread, cheese, olives, pickled stuff, a lot of cheese and yogurt. And you have this really cool fowl station they have everywhere. Fermented beans inside. You can put it on the hummus or you can eat it on the bread.
Don't forget about this, of course. Next country, number 48. Let's go. Thank you. So in the end, it was a good thing that the flight is delayed because we could eat.
Yes.
And the food was delicious again.
Yeah.
Jordanian breakfast.
Yeah, you can do
Some
that.
good stuff.
I'm already looking forward to our next country. I'm so sad to leave Jordan. This has been so amazing.
Welcome aboard.
Greater safety features of this aircraft so that in the likely event of an emergency.
It's warm! Maddy, you know what?
New country.
Country number 48! Woo!
It's so late that the carousel isn't even moving anymore.
Alright. There you go. Very nice. Now off to Dubai.
Again, new country. What do? Find out how we get to our desired destination. For one person, it's 35 Arabic Emirates dinar. I think that's how it's called. So we've paid 70. We put here what it is in euro and dollar, and it leaves every hour for us at 4 p.m. Oh, this weather, it's so nice. So we're doing something we normally don't do. This needs to go there. But anyway.
It's reminds me a bit of Colombia. If you haven't seen that episode, our horror bus ride in Colombia, I'm gonna link it up here.
Now we are taking 2 metros and 1 bus. Too much stuff.
Going up. Going down.
Yeah.
The next station is to Jumeirah Beach, tram at Shobar Realty Metro Station.
Get down to Business Bay. Okay, we found a solution to our transportation problem. Those cards, you buy them, they're 25 each and they have a balance of 19.
There's a ticket office / information, there you could buy them. Crazy difference to Jordan right now. It feels like yesterday we sat on a fire in the desert at night and drank tea with Bedouins. Now we're in a metropolis like this. This is very overwhelming. Like the contrast is real. Crazy. After missing 2 of them. No, he's not going here. No. Okay, we missed the 3rd bus.
Go!
Give me food, give me a bed. Almost there. I don't know. Travel days are like, we got up at 5 something. Now it's
Almost 7.
almost 7. Haven't arrived yet. I'm looking very forward to some food and my bag. And it should be a very nice apartment. And we have Burj Khalifa view. At least we can see it in between these towers, shimmering through. That's what they told me. So should be a nice apartment.
Maddy's suitcase just broke. Very nice. Let's see if we can fix that, but now let's go over there.
Great success.
How you travel in style.
Oh, moment of truth. Smells fresh. Oh, hell yes. Thank you. Wow, this is luxury. Look at it. I love it. You happy?
Yes, of course. Sad that your luggage is broken.
Don't talk about it. Today, just pasta and sleep.
So that's been it from us today. Travel days, right? See you in the next one.